Welcome to our Negotiation Conference 2019.
In negotiation, we force feed them the facts and we shove the logic down their throats. And then we imagine that they're going to be saying, oh great, wonderful, do you have some more? When we become argumentative in negotiation, we create more resistance.
Ist das genial?
Genial wäre, wenn von unserer Seite, wenn wir jetzt mal sagen würden, was wir wollen.
If you want to get anywhere with a skill or an ability, I think it's good to start by taking stock of what you have. Where are you now?
In diesem Sinne hoffe ich sehr, Sie bei nächster Gelegenheit persönlich kennenzulernen. Bis dahin verbleibe ich mit Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen. Oder wie man bei uns in der Schweiz sagt.
As you know, we have a number of negotiations ongoing. For example, I was meeting while I was in the United States in the early part of this week with my counterpart in India, Minister Anand Sharma. And he and I have agreed we want to see a push on moving forward on the Indian Free Trade Agreement, which will be negotiated incidentally by the same chief negotiator who's sitting here, who's completed the Korean agreement so successfully.
I had a really good and learningful experience.
This year, like in all the previous years, has been a fantastic event. It's a cutting-edge meeting of C-level people in the audience, founders, owners of businesses, but in particular, of course, the speakers coming from politics, prime ministers, foreign ministers, but also hostage negotiators, people from whom we can learn how to deal and handle difficult situations.